Log into your Facebook account. Click down arrow, and select Settings. On left column vertical menu, find and click Your Facebook Information. On Your Facebook Information, below, select the Deactivation and Deletion. Now, select Permanently Delete Account. And click the button, Continue to Account Deletion. Then click Delete Account button. Supply your password to confirm your deletion, and click Continue. To permanently delete your Facebook account, click the Delete Account button. Now, your account is scheduled for permanent deletion. You have the option to cancel this deletion within 30 days. Thank you for watching. Hanggang sa muli.